Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the weekly analysis for today, the 6th of October until the 13th of this, the 10th month of 2014. You're watching Bitcoin Wisdom weekly chart, price 322.98. Last night, price managed to reach 275. A pretty impressive sell-off, and so far for the last 2.5 months we haven't seen any improvements on the price apart from the fact that the sellers are in full control of the situation. However, I want to highlight this particular chart is because of the situation we see so far. Apparently, and this is basically a personal hypothesis, the SMA 200 managed to hold the sell-off at this point. And what I'm trying to say here is, after this overextended trend, the price managed to find a level of reaction where buyers were basically waiting for the opportunity to bounce and pull back the price, and why not create a counter trend that it can benefit their interest and why not their trading plan. But so far we might experience new counter trends during the week, and why not potential lower high failures that it can bring opportunities for counter trends and counter trend higher lows that it can benefit anyone who has a plan against these particular sell-offs. And this is the multiple time frames. As you can see, this is the 3-day chart. Last time when we spoke about the situation that potentially we'll see the price going towards 397, the price was fluctuating in this area, the SMA 200, and it managed to create a support, this double bottom tail. But unfortunately, obviously, sellers were more powerful than the buyers, and the sellers' volume just came in and denied this particular hypothesis. And as you can see right now, the result is that we managed to reach 275. Obviously not very good news for the people that bought at this area, but obviously this is a panic mode at the moment, and whoever has the good strategy is the one who's going to get the benefits. But at the moment, obviously, things don't look very good for the buyer's side. So just keep an eye on the opportunities, because counter trends are right now the possibility during the week, as long as the price doesn't go below obviously the previous levels. And this is the daily chart. Talking about situations, look at the divergence between the SMA 200, which is at 522, and where the price is. We always say it, and it's actually a fact. It's not that we say it, obviously the market shows that. And the price always try to reach the SMA 200. I'm not saying that it's going to happen in one day, but eventually we might see that situation happening, and obviously we need to take advantage of the situation. And at this point there is possibly lower high failures during the week and intraday. And when I'm talking intraday, we're talking from 4-hour chart to 60 minutes, 15 minutes and 5-minute chart. So whoever has the strategy, or if you can create your strategy about counter trends, you can definitely make some profits out of it. And this is the situation so far. We might experience once again the price trying to reach 339, trying to deny the previous highs, and why not? That's when eventually we might see pullbacks from the buyers, that they can deny previous 12-hour chart formations, and why not 240-minute chart formations. And here is the 12-hour chart, the one I was telling you about. This, but possibly the price will try to bring or try to create a new lower high. That lower high can either fail, continue, or stay in a potential consolidation. In my opinion, that could be a potential opportunity for the price itself, with the buyers and the right volume, to push the price and deny this particular retracement with a lower high failure. And that can bring the price once again to areas such as 350. Something we might have to take into consideration. And where is the benefit for us? Well, small time frames such as 60-minute and 50-minute chart can give us those opportunities. And here it is, obviously the last of the charts for today and this particular weekly forecast. And here it is, the 240-minute chart. As you can see, is a lower high that is actually not performing the way it should. And we might experience a lower high failure, and that's where the buyers will take advantage and push the price towards this cluster. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great week trading.